Hi, my name is Peter Herku, and I hope you can see me now. Maybe it's a bit dark here, but anyway, if you don't know me, my name is Peter Herku, and I help companies and individuals to improve their work, to improve their efficiency and the quality they provide. Um, but I don't do it like you would think. I do it in a different way. But just before I start to talk about it, if you are serious about improving efficiency of your work, improving quality that you deliver, whether you work in manufacturing or staff or office department or administration, sales, marketing, doesn't matter. I would like you to go to herku.com/CIG. So that's 3 letters CIG. herku.com/CIG to learn more. Okay, anyway, just I would like to tell you that my clients come to me with a question whether they should use lean manufacturing, lean efficiency method, or they should use Six Sigma, lean or Six Sigma. That's a big question that I often get from my clients. They are established companies, at least $5 million annual revenue, but on average even 50 million. And they are used to work on process improvement, efficiency improvements, working in projects, but they are frustrated because of all the information available on these methodologies like Lean, Kaizen, Six Sigma. So they feel like a bit confused, maybe overwhelmed about the information available, and they talk to their peers, to other companies in the branch, and somebody using Lean, other use Six Sigma, third use even a different method. So they are frustrated, they don't know what to do. Then I tell them that why choose between Lean or Six Sigma? Why not use both? Because both are very, very good methods to help any company or any department or any process to speed up the lead time, to reduce the time it takes to deliver a product or service. That's basically the lean part of the methodology, where you can look at your process and identify steps that don't help the customer at all. Steps, they are a waste of time, like looking for information, asking colleague about the same thing for the third time, correcting mistakes, piling up inventory that is not being sold, moving inventories. All that kind of stuff are really excellent examples to take out of any process, and Lean can help to identify those non-value added activities and steps to improve the process. So use Lean, but use also Six Sigma, because Six Sigma is very good in making processes visible and transparent by measuring outcomes. Really makes huge use of data, facts that will help anyone in any situation to be clear about the performance of any process. And when you measure, you can improve it, because you will find ways to see whether you can reduce variation, you can reduce bad quality, you can reduce quality problems, rejects, off-spec materials, scrap if you produce something, and Six Sigma can help to identify those problems and make it measurable and make it really better quality with higher predictability. So use Lean and Six Sigma. That's what I tell to my clients. So if you are serious about wanting to improve your processes and you want to take the first steps, I would like to introduce you to herku.com/CIG. So herku.com/CIG, where you can take the first steps in implementing Lean Six Sigma into your own work. So just to recap what we discussed today, you shouldn't choose between Lean or Six Sigma, but take both because both are very good methods to help at the end improve to change the culture of your company, but in a short run to reduce mistakes and improve lead times. So if you want to take first steps, go to herku.com/CIG and start improving now. Thank you.